Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all are safe and sound. Students, we already have discussed the translation of Unit 7, Little by Little, One Walks For. Now, today we will discuss the exercise of this unit. So, let's start. Question number 1. Students, here we have vocabulary. In vocabulary, we have part A at page number 82. Give the meaning of each word as used in the lesson. हमने इन अल्फाज के मायने बताने हैं जैसा कि हमने लेसन में सबक में इस्तेमाल किए. Circumstances, हालात, and in English, environmental conditions of an act or event. Participant, शरीके कार, हिस्सा लेने वाला. A person who takes part in something. Priority, तरजीह, अव्वलीन तरजीह, most important thing. Contest, competition, मुकाबला, a competition in which people try to win something. Preceding, गुज़िश्ता, prior. The next word is excel, सबकत ले जाना, be better than others. Motivation, तहरीक, inspiration. Financially, माली तौर पर, monetarily. Students, the next part B, is explain each phrase as used in the lesson. यहाँ पे हमारे पास वर्ड्स की बजाय फ्रेजेस हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, फ्रेजेस इनकम्प्लीट सेंटेंसेस होते हैं. हमने इस लेसन में फ्रेजेस को भी पढ़ा है, तो हमने उन फ्रेजेस को एक्सप्लेन करना है. एज अकॉर्डिंग टू द लेसन, द ए फ्रेज इज़ along bumpy ride. along एक तवील, bumpy नाहमवार, खटन, दुश्वार, ride सफ़र. along bumpy ride एक तवील नाहमवार सफ़र. hard and difficult times. The next one is earned, first place. earned हासिल की, कमाई, first place पहली जगह, पहली पोजीशन. got high rank. A well-rounded student, एक हमगीर तालिबे इल्म. versatile student, a well-rounded student, versatile student. along with a group of other students, दूसरे तलबा के एक ग्रुप के साथ. having some ideas as others. to look forward to it, पुरुमीद, मुंतज़िर, expect. and the last is made it this for. made it इसे बनाया, this for काफ़ी हद तक. accomplish this much. Students, on the page number 83 we have a paragraph for translation, and in the lesson we have already done the translation of the paragraphs. So we will do the next question, reading comprehension. And in reading comprehension part A, we have choose the correct option. Students, in part A, the first one is the last couple of years गुज़िश्ता साल का जोड़ा have been a long bumpy ride. A long bumpy ride mean एक तवील नाहमवार सफ़र. for me, मेरे लिए. as they have for everyone of my age, जैसा कि वो मेरी उम्र के हर एक के लिए रहे हैं. in this statement, the underlined phrase means we have the options easy time, hard and challenging time, layer time. Students, we have learned the meanings of phrases a long bumpy ride mean hard and challenging time or hard and difficult time. So according to this statement, option B goes right. Take the option B, hard and challenging time. In statement 2 we have the author thinks, मुसन्निफ सोचता है he will become a well-rounded student, वो एक हमागिर तालिब इल्म बन जाएगा by dash, वो एक हमागिर तालिब इल्म बनेगा किससे? A. Making good grades in academics लिहाज से अच्छे ग्रेड्स लेकर, पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज निसाबी सरगर्मियों में, पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ हम निसाबी सरगर्मियों में हिस्सा लेते हुए, पार्ट टेकिंग बोथ इन एकेडमिक एंड को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ तालीमी और हम निसाबी सरगर्मियों दोनों में हिस्सा लेते हुए या शिरकत करते हुए. स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव रेड इन द लेसन दैट द स्टूडेंट्स was also taking part in all the academic and all the co-curricular activities because he wanted to become a well-rounded student. So according to this statement, the option C goes right. Take the option C, partaking both in academic and co-curricular activities. Here number 3 is on page 84. His summer jobs in the preceding 2 years helped him. गुज़श्ता 2 सालों में उसकी समर जॉब्स ने उसकी मदद की. गेन एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, गेट फाइनेंशियली बूस्ट, मेक फ्रेंडशिप. स्टूडेंट्स, अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्टेटमेंट एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द लेसन, ऑप्शन ए इज़ द राइट. द समर जॉब्स एंड समर एक्सपीरियंसेस गेव द राइटर एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. सो टिक द ऑप्शन ए. Number 4 is the author has become more dash because of his job experiences. जॉब के तजर्बात की वजह से शायर मुसन्निफ ज़्यादा डैश बन गया. वेल टू डू एंड प्रॉस्पेरस, mature and responsible, social and well known. According to lesson, option B, mature and responsible is the right option. So tick the option B. This developing positive outlook has given the author the motivation he needs to become. इस तरक्की पाते हुए मुस्बत नुक्ता नज़र ने मुसन्निफ को तहरीक दी जिसकी उसे डैश बनने के लिए ज़रूरत है. फेमस, वेल्दी, सक्सेसफुल. And according to lesson, C option, successful is the right option. So tick the C option, successful. Now students, on page number 85, we have indefinite pronouns. And students, indefinite pronoun is a pronoun that refers people or thing in a very general way. For example, someone, anyone, somebody, etc. Here we have an exercise according to relating to indefinite pronouns. The last couple of years have been a long bumpy ride for me as they have for everyone of my age. Students, this is the example and you can see here everyone is underlined. This is the example of indefinite pronoun. So we have to underline all the indefinite pronouns from the given statements. Everybody enjoys a good movie. हर कोई अच्छी मूवी से लुत्फ़ उठाता है. Here everybody will be underlined as an indefinite pronoun. Number 2, does anybody have the time? क्या किसी के पास वक्त है? Here you have to underline anybody. Number 3, one sang, एक ने गाया, while the other played the guitar, जबकि दूसरे ने गिटार प्ले किया. Students, here one and other also are not referring a particular or certain people or person. So here we will underline one and other as an indefinite pronoun because it may be someone, anyone, आप, मैं, कोई भी हो सकता है. Number 4, nobody knows the trouble I have seen. कोई शख्स तकलीफ़ को नहीं जानता जो मैंने देखी है. You have to underline nobody as an indefinite pronoun. द सीक्रेट वॉज नोन बाय फ्यू, चंद लोग राज जानते थे या चंद लोगों ने राज को जाना. स्टूडेंट्स, हेयर यू कैन सी फ्यू, चंद. चंद इज few is also indicating someone, some persons, some people, not defining someone special. So it is also indicating indefinite pronoun. Underline few. No, the secret was known by many. नहीं, कई लोगों ने राज जाना. Here we will underline many as an indefinite pronoun. In number 7, मैथमेटिक्स इज़ टू हार्ड फॉर मी. मैथमेटिक्स मेरे लिए बहुत टफ है. सॉरी, फॉर सम किसी के लिए मैथ्स बहुत टफ है, मुश्किल है. सो हेयर वी विल अंडरलाइन सम एज एन इनडेफिनेट प्रोनाउन बिकॉज इस सम में कोई भी हो सकता है. इट इज़ नॉट डिफाइनिंग एनीवन पर्टिकुलरली. Surely you recognize somebody, यकीनन आप किसी को या किसी शख्स को पहचान लेंगे. Here somebody will be underlined as an indefinite pronoun. Is there anything that I can do? In this sentence, anything is indicating indefinite pronoun. Students, underline it. In the next part B, we have given some statements and we have to choose some appropriate verbs for the statement. B part, tick the verb which agrees with the indefinite pronoun. We have to choose the verb according to the given indefinite pronoun. First statement is each of the family members, ख़ानदान के अफराद में से हर एक. And students, each is indicating a singular person, so we will use here has because has is used for singular persons. One vote. Each of the family members has one vote. One of the boys, लड़कों में से एक. Students, here one is also indicating singular person, so we will use here eats. One of the boys eats pizza every week. Both of the answers, दोनों जवाबात. And students, you can look here. We are talking about both answers. We are talking about more than one thing, so we will use here plural verb and that is are. Both of the answers are correct. Number 4, a few of the staff में से चंद में एक से ज़्यादा लोग शामिल होते हैं, so it will also take were as verb. A few of the staff were gone today. Next one is all of the animals, तमाम जानवर, so it is indicating a plural noun, all of the animals, so we will use here as a verb run when they are scared. Number 6, someone mean कोई एक. Someone has his own thoughts. हर एक या कोई भी एक शख्स अपने ख्यालात रखता है. Number 7, you know that others. Students, you are looking that here we are talking about others and others are many people, so we will use here have as a verb. You know that others have tried this. So student, this all is your lesson. You have to learn it by heart. Allah Hafiz.